How to delete Loklok account permanently. 1. Open the Loklok application. 2. Select Me. 3. Select Settings. 4. Select Manage Account. 5. Select Delete Account. 6. Select Confirm to deactivate. 7. Select Next. 8. Select Send a verification code. 9. Enter the code that has been sent to your email. 10. Select Delete Account. 11. Select Confirm. 12. Delete Account. 13. Select Confirm. Success! Don't forget to like and subscribe.